Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy M04. Okay, for that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, so you will find it here at the cover on the top, and in the cover on the top there's another little white box, and on the back of it you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just remove it like that here. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool on the paper clip. So just enter it and press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, that SIM tray, you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, next to a micro SD card to extend the internal storage. Let's start now with the first SIM card. You need to place it here in the middle. So there's a missing corner, it belongs to the missing corner. And the contacts, they are below. And if you want, you can add also a second SIM card. Belongs to the front. The first position, I don't know why, but it's like that. So also here, missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are here below as well. Okay, and what is also possible to extend the internal storage with a micro SD card. So the micro SD card has here the last position, so insert it well, and this is how it should look like then at the end. So yeah, of course you can use also the micro SD card with just one SIM card, no? Or two if you want. Both is possible, and the contacts are here below. Okay, so after you can insert your construction back to the SIM slot, and that's it. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.